We're about to watch an accident, dude.
He can see me.
Should I go out and stop traffic? His left blinker is still on. His left blinker is still on. He needs to put his hazards on. Dude, he's not even in third gear yet. He's still in first fucking gear. That is incredible. Look at him.
Why is he pulling over?
Because Donovan's like, hey, give somebody else a turn.
Does that say, what's that say on the back?
He is curbing right now.
Does that say something about truck driver in training or something?
I hope so.